Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you.
In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened, seat backs in upright position, large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed. Aming ipapakita ang safety features ng eroplanong ito. Panoorin ang cabin crew sa inyong harapan. Para maikabit ang seatbelt, pagdugtungin ang magkabilang dulo. Para higpitan, hilahin ang dulo ng strap. Para paluwagin, bahagyang iangat ang buckle at luwagan ang strap. Para tanggalin, iangat ang buckle at alisin ang strap.
Saan yung flight, bay?
Kung kayo ay may kasamang sanggol, ikabit muna ang seatbelt sa inyong sarili bago yakapin ang sanggol sa baywang. Ang life vests ay matatagpuan sa ilalim ng inyong upuan o armrest. Kung sakaling magka-water landing, tanggalin ang lahat ng matatalim na bagay sa inyong sarili.
Sabi nila, palang araw darating ang tanging hinihiling. At nung dumating ang aking panalangin ay hindi na maikunin ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata, at ang takot kung sakali man ika'y mawala. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan, di basahin, di ka...
Kain na tayo. Thank you, Philippine Airlines. Kakain na kami. Ang mga gutom boys. Mga gutom boys. Mga extra rice boys. Ito Si mama, ano bibigay? Oh, kaway-kaway. Mga tomboy. Oh, bay. Extra rice, bay? Hingi ka na extra rice, bay? Siguro, gutom ka, bay, no?
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me
Si Amonilo,
when you came to me, oh, I knew it's you.
Paulo, si Alan Sanchez, si Bonino. Ikaw, Bonino.
The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains all day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and I'm smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside.